Good morning guys, or good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world, whenever you're watching this. I thought I would do a couple of days of vlog today because I'm just feeling it and I've got some exciting things going on. One of those things is that I have had my hair cut. I've got new hair. As you can see, I've got a fringe. I'm not feeling too well today. I have this weird cold thing, like a weird sinus cold thing. So I'm probably not looking my best today. I haven't got any mascara on yet or anything. So it's probably not the best representation of my new do, but I thought I would show you anyway because you're going to see it in this vlog, obviously. So I can wear it kind of full. It is quite long, so that kind of gets in my eyes, but I kind of like to part it a little bit. But yeah, it takes a little bit of styling. It needs a brush at the moment, so it's not looking its best. Vince was going to join me, but she's a little bit moody at the moment. If you didn't know that budgies, they molt. So she's kind of molting at the moment. So she's just sitting there looking at me like, I hate you. So little Vincey absolutely hates this camera. I wish I could make her like it, but she just is not interested. I think it's because it's a dark object. She doesn't like things like that. I think they scare her, but yeah. So I'm actually working with the lovely people from Gumtree on this video, which is super exciting for me because it's a really exciting campaign. So if you didn't know, Gumtree are a website that are mostly known for buying items on. Also, you can actually get a job on Gumtree. You can find a job on there, which I think is really good, especially if you're kind of out of uni, you don't know what you want to do, you want to kind of see what's out there, give some things a little try if you want something more full-time, or if you are self-employed and you need something extra to bring a little bit of money in. There are loads of different options that you can go for on there. There's jobs for everyone. They have sent me over a quiz which will tell me the kind of job that I should be looking for on there, and we'll see what the outcome is and how I get on. So I'm gonna go upstairs to my computer and we're gonna take this quiz together, and then tomorrow I'm actually gonna go into London and do the job. I'm gonna trial the job and start a new career, so it seems. So new hair, new career, let's get going. So I am just logging on to gumtree.com /jobs. I will leave this link down below if you do want to give it a go. Okay, so I would describe myself as self-motivated, I like to think. My ideal evening would be, hanging with pals, definitely. If I was a dog, I would be a Labrador, loyal and loving, a Jack Russell, inquisitive and lively, or a pug, charming yet mischievous. I think I'd be a Labrador, loyal and loving. Which one is most true for you? I like to be busy, I think, deep down inside. I could never live without my phone, my car, or cheese. Oh, goodness me. My phone. I am most productive in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. Or in the morning, I think. I'm good in the morning. Shame I don't get up early enough. I prefer working on my own, in a small team, or in a large team. I work on my own all the time, so I think I've got to say on my own, really. Pick a Disney villain, Cruella de Vil, Scar, or Maleficent. I think Scar, maybe? We'll go with that. We'll go with B. People say I am the chatterbox, the creative, the free spirit. My job is quite creative. I think I'd be the creative. If I could have one superpower, it would be the ability to fly, superhuman strength, or invisibility. Superhuman strength. I want to be a muscle woman. And as you can see, I got TaskRabbit. So, TaskRabbit, you're independent and a real go-getter. You would thrive being your own boss and setting your own rates and hours. The perfect match for becoming a tasker on TaskRabbit. Whether it's helping assemble a baby cot or clearing in the garden of someone's new home, you can turn your hand to pretty much anything. So I'm gonna click explore jobs because I think this is the job that I'm gonna be doing tomorrow. So as you can see on the screen, there are loads of different jobs on here. So you can do kind of little bits and bobs. There's all different places: Liverpool, Glasgow, Brighton, Coventry, Bristol, London. I'm gonna go and do some jobs with TaskRabbit, and yeah, I'm gonna see what it's like to be doing this kind of work, working as a kind of handy woman, and let's see how it goes. Morning guys, I'm trying my best to look presentable right now, but as you can see by my hair, Girl needs to get ready. So yeah, today is the day of going into London and starting my new career. I'm so excited. So I need to transform this. I need to get dressed out of my pajamas. So I've just got to London and I'm on my way to a place called Second Home, which is a co-working space, and I'm going to meet someone from TaskRabbit and Gumtree. TaskRabbit is basically like somewhere that someone can rent you to do like handyman jobs, so that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go and meet the team and then do some like handyman jobs around the co-working space. So super excited. Let's get going and meet the team. I'm at Second Home and I'm with Brian, who is a TaskRabbit man, a handyman, and he's going to help me today do some of the tasks. I can change a light bulb, I think, so it's fine. So yeah, so let's get going. Okay, so we are awaiting our first task, which is to fix a chair, and it's taken quite a while to get here, so I think it might be quite broken. But yeah, so that is the first thing we're doing. So our chair is here.
Hey Brian. So I've got our chair, which has come in separate pieces, which I would like you to put together for me, if that's okay. Okay. So we've got the seat, the legs, and then the nuts and bolts, and here's a drill.
Oh, brilliant! Thank you.
That's all right. So yeah, got this nice little shell top here. We just rest on it like this, and it comes with little rubber feet. 4 screws, can't go wrong.
Nope.
That's what you think. Okay, so we're going to fix the chair, or assemble the chair, because it's in 2 parts. So
brilliant. Okay.
This is a washer, apparently.
Yes.
Okay.
So they go here.
Okay.
We just take 1 screw.
Yeah.
And you haven't used the drill before?
No.
No.
Well,
okay.
only for fun, not actually. I'm just like shaking it around a bit.
That's all right. Right. So basically, to put it in a screwdriver, and then when it actually, yeah, goes to the end,
okay,
make
cool.
that noise. Well, hey.
Ah.
Well done. It's all right. And well, that one chair.
I'll sit on it just to make sure, because otherwise someone else might. No, it's So we're going to change a light bulb. Brian's inspecting it first. So have a light bulb. It's just a screwing one. Yay! And we have light.
I've got another fabulous task for you guys. So we've got some screws that have been sticking out of this wall, and we'd like to pull those out and then just fill the holes with filler. Ready for painting, so yeah, I'll leave you guys to it.
Hang on, it's coming.
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh yeah.
No? It's all, yeah.
See the whole thing falling down, but it didn't. Is that enough?
Yeah, good access. But hey!
Cool. Oh no, hang on. Yeah.
That's good.
Cool. So we filled all the holes in this wall. It looks loads better now. So we have a plant that needs some TLC. So we're going to go and find this plant, help it be healthy again. I just got back to my car, parked at the station, and I had a really good day today. Obviously, whatever job you have, if you do it every day, you just get so used to doing the same thing day in and day out. So it was really nice to experience something completely different, and I don't know, like a career path that I've never explored before. And I think it's an amazing thing that you can literally go on Gumtree and just search for jobs. And like I mentioned, if you do want to do that and you want to see what's on offer, the kind of jobs that you can go for, I will leave the link down below in the down bar. So that's Gumtree jobs. Yeah, apparently you can even walk dogs, which I think is amazing. And I definitely would be happy to walk some dogs as well. And actually, fixing stuff today was actually quite fun. And I think that maybe if I wasn't a YouTuber, I could be a handyman or a handy woman. But yeah, I think it was so much fun. So thank you so much to Gumtree for inviting me along to experience a different career for the day. I had a really nice day, and all the team were lovely as well. So now I'm going to go home, I'm going to chill because I've got a bit of a cold today, so I'm feeling a bit poo. And yeah, I'm going to just sit on the sofa, watch some TV and probably do some emails. To be honest, all this handyman stuff, it's taken out on me. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a little bit different for me, but so fun, and I really hope you enjoyed watching and coming along with me today on my new job. If you are looking for a job or you don't know where to look, then definitely check out Gumtree. Like I mentioned, link can be found down below, and I will see you again for another video very soon. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.